Responsibility of housekeeping department. All of
Importance of housekeeping, responsibility of housekeeping development, important housekeeping, maintaining cleaning and ensure guests comfort and satisfaction in hotel reputation and ensure staff safety and culture free etc.
মানে কি বলো?
etc.
কোন গ্রুপ কথা বলবে না।
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for being here. Today I am going to present you on housekeeping department layout in hotel, structure of housekeeping. Housekeeping department layout in hotel. Executive housekeeper's office for management and supervisor. Housekeeping control desk, main communication hub, linen, janitorial process, pantry, cleaning, supplies, strong.
সুপারভাইজার কার আন্ডারে?
supervisor অবশ্যই আপনার রুম ফ্লোর সুপারভাইজার।
ফ্লোর সুপারভাইজার কাকে রিপোর্ট করবে?
অ্যাসিস্ট্যান্ট এক্সিকিউটিভ অথবা অ্যাসিস্ট্যান্ট ম্যানেজার যারা আছে ওনার কাছে অথবা কোঅর্ডিনেটর আছে।
আচ্ছা, ওকে, নেক্সট।
Assalamu alaikum. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, everyone, for giving me the opportunity to describe my presentation. First of all, I would like to talk my presentation topic: structure of housekeeping department, executive department. SOP for housekeeping department. Structure of housekeeping department: executive housekeeper, EHK security, assistant executive housekeeper under linen uniform supervisor, desk control, floor supervisor, night supervisor, public area supervisor, horticulturist. Greeting the guest. Enter the room after permission.
Vacuum or and mop, not move.
Or mop the floor.
Vacuum and yes, vacuum and mop.